How to remove water from phone speaker using sounds. Hey everyone, welcome back. If your phone speaker sounds muffled or it sounds blurry after water exposure, don't panic. You can push water out of your speaker using sound vibrations, and it actually works. Let's do it safely. First thing you can do is use Samsung's built-in speaker cleaning if it's available on your phone. Some newer Samsung models have this feature. For that, you need to open up settings and find your device care or battery and device care. Tap on it. Once you are on device care, you need to look for speaker cleaning or diagnostics option. Then tap on the speaker and follow the on-screen instruction. I don't have that option currently, so let's move on to the next method. You can remove water using sound. That is one of the most effective ways. For that, you can open up Samsung's browser or any other browser for that matter, and simply search for speaker water eject sound. Let me just quickly do that. Speaker water eject sound, and I'll just hit search. Then it's gonna go ahead and bring out these menus. Click on the first link. You can go ahead and tap on the button down below to activate the blower. So it plays the sound in certain frequency to push out water from your speaker. Once that is done, you should be good to go. You can also use YouTube as a quick option. You can search for remove water sound from your phone speaker. Play it from a 165 to 200 hertz bass sound from the video. Make sure you max out your volume as well as face your speaker down. Let it play for 1 to 2 minutes and you should be good to go. So that is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.